Hey yo, welcome back to my channel, Big Papa Eats. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Big Papa Eats if you want to see some good cooking. Cheers. Hey, what's up, YouTube? First thing you always want to do is wash your chicken and then cut it up. Okay, and right here, you always want to keep some disinfectant of some sort, alcohol, bleach, anything to stay healthy and safe. We don't want to get cross-contamination. Okay, so right here is where we're gonna cut the pineapple in half, and we're gonna make two boats. The thing is, you wanna make sure you have a nice, sharp knife and stay safe when you're doing this. Pineapples can be difficult to cut. You gotta put some muscle into it, and I'm gonna speed it up right here. We're gonna get through this thing. All right, so right here, after you got the pineapple cut in half, and you got your two boats, you wanna cut some lines with a knife, horizontally, vertically, and core it out. Once again, be safe. All right, right here, once you got the pineapple cut in half, you want to cut some lines horizontally, vertically, and core out the pineapples. All right, and once you core out the pineapple, this is exactly how it should look. You could leave a little bit more pineapple in there if you want to, but I just like to core mine all the way out. Right now, we're gonna get our skillet prepped for the chicken. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, while the chicken is cooking up, we're gonna get started on that good old teriyaki sauce from scratch. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Right here, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of water. I use bottled water. I just don't like to drink or cook with faucet water. Right here, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Right here, we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. And right here, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And right here, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of honey. And right here, we're gonna add 1/8 cup of cold water and flour and stir it up. You wanna get that nice and thick. This is exactly what you're looking for. You wanna get that nice boil going and make sure it gets thick. Okay, so right here, once you got that chicken cooked up nice, we're gonna pour over that teriyaki sauce. Okay, and right here, I like to just garnish the food with some fresh parsley chopped up. Hey, forgive me for not recording on how to stuff the pineapple boat. This is my first video. Take it easy on me, but this is exactly how the pineapple boat should look at the finished product when you're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my channel, follow my new Instagram page, Big Papa Eats, if you want to, continue to see some great cooking. If you have any requests, don't hesitate to inbox me or send me an email, bigpapaeats88@gmail.com. Much love.